Like, there are people who live on the internet just to be contrarian. So if you say up, they're going to say down. You say left, they're going to say right. You're going to say blue, they're going to say yellow. You say yes, they'll say no. So struggling a little with that because, as Gen Xers, life is lifing. we got things to do, people to take care of, places to go. A lot of us at this age group may have, aging parents plus children and or grandchildren. So life is lifing. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kim, aka Kim with the Gems. Today I'm coming to you with a personal story about my YouTube content creator journey. I want to keep it 100. I want to keep it a buck for the people who are in my same situation, meaning Gen Xer, Black woman, just starting. There are some things that you should be prepared for. And I just wanted to be, honest about that. I still encourage everybody who wants to start a YouTube channel to share their wisdom, to share their journey, to share their stories, to help others, or to promote yourself, to go ahead and do it. It has been way more rewarding than not. The good has totally outweighed the not so good. So let's just get into it. There are 5 areas that has caused struggle for me over this journey in creating content for YouTube. Number 1 and 2 are kind of on the same line, but they're different. But number 1 is basically, when I started, YouTube was a different space, was a different place, and it continues to evolve. And we as content creators have to be willing, ready, and able to evolve with YouTube. I'll give one example. A year ago, long form videos was it. I mean, people were doing shorts, but number 1, shorts was not available for monetization, meaning you couldn't earn money for your shorts. It didn't go towards your watch hours. So if you posted a whole bunch of shorts and people loved it, those hours did not count towards your watch hours for the partnership program for YouTube. Fast forward, none of that is true anymore. You can get paid out on shorts. Shorts is a huge focus for YouTube. In addition to the changes with YouTube, let's just talk about the changes with technology. When I started this a year ago, AI, artificial intelligence, was not greatly discussed, right? So everybody was writing their own content. I mean, some people did outsource other people to write, but for the most part, AI was not even part of our discussions. Now it's taking over. Just learning the different systems and the different AI platforms and figuring out what's going to work best for you. It's not, it's going to take some time. I know for me, it's a struggle. Like, I don't know that, I want to go that deep with it, but I also know that if I want to be competitive, that I have to, stick with what's new. And one of my favorite YouTubers, Erin on Demand, who's also a Howard University grad, HU, she shared a really good example, using Blockbuster and Netflix as the comparison. We all know what happened to Blockbuster, and we all know what happened to Netflix. Netflix saw the direction and invested in the direction of streaming versus rentals of DVDs and VHS, and they, won the war. Blockbuster is no longer around. You don't want to waste your time, being the dinosaur while everyone else, is outrunning you. So that's 2. And number 3, the struggle is real when it comes to like protecting privacy, right? When you're on these platforms, your privacy, you're giving it over basically, right? And as Gen Xers, we grew up in a time where social media wasn't a thing, and we weren't judged every second of every day. We weren't critiqued every second of every day. But when you're on a social media platform, better believe that is absolutely going to be part of your journey. And it leads kind of into the 4th thing, which is all the judginess that comes along with social media. There's, people that are just going to be contrarians, right? There are people who live on the internet just to be contrarian. So if you say up, they're going to say down. You say left, they're going to say right. You're going to say blue, they're going to say yellow. You say yes, they'll say no. And some of them can be very aggressive. I mean, I don't like blocking people unless they're disrespectful. Share your objections to what I'm saying. I could deal with constructive criticism. I actually appreciate constructive criticism, but disrespect, not so much. Everyone has an idea on what you should talk about and what you should cover and how you should do it and this and that. And I know the quick way to get subscribers and monetization is, through drama and entertainment and all of that. That's not what this channel is about. This channel is an educational channel, an elevation channel for the culture. We're going to continue to talk all things wellness, travel, and finances. Now, if a celebrity has something that is connected to one of those three pillars, yes, you'll see it here. So I wanted to share these 5 struggles for anyone that may be in the middle of their journey and are feeling something similar, and just need to know you're not alone. But if you persevere, if you continue to push forward, and if you, like I said, try to get rid of some of the noise, you'll be okay. I thank you for coming along on the journey. I look forward to seeing more of you guys. I look forward to where this brand is going. And until next time, guys, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who may be going through something similar. And yeah, turn on the notification bells.